Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to present a food art activity. All that you need is a cutting board, a butter knife and a plate with some fruits. First, wash all the fruits, then we begin to slice the fruits. Teaching knife skills to toddlers and kids enriches their lives on so many levels. Using a knife can improve control. It can build hand and arm strength and fine motor skills. Allows children to engage with their food in a pressure-free, fun way. Next, arrange the sliced fruits into a pattern of your own choice.
Yeah, enough. Okay. I'll put grapes like flower.
This helps to bring out the creativity in a child. It prepares the child for real life activities.
My banana, banana. My banana.
And we are done. We would like to see your recreations and tag us on our Instagram account or share it on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And bye bye.